.550.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Elbert County, southeastern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Washington County in northeastern Colorado, north central Lincoln County until 6:00 p.m. At 5:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Agate, or 20 miles northwest of Lemon, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. The National Weather Service in Denver. In northeastern Colorado, southwestern Washington County, in northeastern
but guerrillas, like those that left.
Locations impacted include Agate and Cottonwood Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It didn't really have a recognized hierarchy.
Being this woman off.
Guerrillas.
Lieber's arguments were so convincing that the Union Army and the Lincoln administration tapped him for an even bigger job.
My apartment to go to the video.
Colorado. Kind of
More Colorado. Published and handed out.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe